Let me unbox this device. But before that, if you're new in this channel, please hit the button, kindly like and subscribe. So I purchased this on TEMU. The device description is, it's an action camera that can capture 4K resolution. The camera lens can be only rotated manually up to 270 degrees angles and supports Wi-Fi connection, which means you can access the footage direct to your smartphone. And with 1000 mAh battery capacity. Watch till the end if this has 4K resolution and how long the battery will last. Inside the box, let's start with the user manual with different language translation. Then this belt strap, which I am confused where I am going to attach this. And if you wanted to have clear voice recording, then this Type-C wired microphone. And then this strap for device protection. Well, for hand-free usage, then this clip mount is an option. And of course, one of the most important thing is this Type-C charging cable, and can be used also as direct transfer of data going to your PC or laptop. Well, a pouch for an extra protection of the device. Most importantly is the device, which it has 1.3-inch LCD screen display for a convenient videos and image playback. And later, I will demonstrate how this buttons will work. So the device brand is VAVUPO, and beside of it is the Type-C port. And on the bottom part is the female tripod screw. On this side is when the SD card slot located, and besides of it is the up and down or selection button. And the speaker is located in this part, but I'm not sure if both sides are the speaker or the other part is the heat ventilation. It is very light and almost the size of my palm, and it is entirely made of plastic material. So how these buttons works? Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. In this state, it's in photo mode. So how to change into video mode? Short press the power button to turn into video mode. Same action you will do to turn into photo mode. To take photo, short press this button. And do the same process when taking a video. When the video starts, the red video icon appears. And even if the screen turn off while doing a recording, the blue light appears, which means still the video recording is ongoing. So how this M button works? So this M button stands for function or set button, which you can access photography mode, playback of saved video and photo, and of course the settings. This button serves as well as a back or return button. To select the action that you choose, then press this arrow up or down button. And to do OK, then press this button. And if you wanted to access your smartphone instead, then long press the arrow up button and you will hear the beep sound and the Wi-Fi name and the password will appear. And to remove from the connection, then short press the arrow up button. But before that, download the app first by scanning the QR code printed in the manual. Just a reminder, the lens can be only rotated manually on 270 degrees angles only, and the rotation must be in one direction only. Do the same thing when returning back the same position of the lens. Don't ever try to rotate the camera lens on 360 degrees angles if you wanted to use the device longer. And here are the sample video taken by this device. At this moment, I attach this device on my bicycle. This is on 4K settings, but as you can see, the color is oversaturated. And the lack of stabilization doesn't make sense as an action camera. The device still attached on my bike, and for me, the night footage is much better than on daytime. And here are the sample pictures. Well, for me, the pictures are okay and acceptable, but not as great. At this moment, I clip the device on my backpack strap, and it is positioned on top of my shoulder area. As you notice on the device, the female tripod screw was positioned on the bottom, so it's impossible to be clip on my chest part, since the clip mount accessories wasn't designed for bottom female tripod screw. The clarity of the footage is okay, but since the lack of stabilization, this ruins the quality of the video. And by the way, never use this on rainy days, nor submerge this into the water. This is not waterproof nor splash-proof rating device. And about the battery. In my test, it lasted for 2 hours continuous usage for a fully charged battery. In charging time, the moment you plug in, the device will automatically turn on. I suggest better turn it off while charging, and when it is charging, the red light indicator appears. And when it is fully charged, the light indicator is turned off. And that's it. Please let me know your thoughts about this device. Your comments is highly appreciated. Thank you for watching.